Hi everyone! Today we're doing a very exciting video. In this video I'll be showing you what I got for Christmas 2023, which I'm very grateful for. We'll only be going through items related to coloring. As a disclaimer, I want to say that the love language in our family during Christmas is gift giving, so I don't want to brag by any means. I just find these type of videos fun to watch, and that's why I decided to make one myself. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. First up, I got this coloring book from Rita Berman, Mein Winterspaziergang, which means my winter walk. I put this up on my Christmas list because when I wanted to color some winter-themed page this year, I discovered that I had barely any coloring books with winter scenes in it. And of course I like having options and multiple empty pages to choose from, even though I'll probably only color one every year. So yeah, this lovely little book is my first present. By the way, I will have a link to every item down below in the description box, so you know you can easily find it, because we all love coloring items, right? My second present are these wonderful 28 new colors from Derwent Inktense. I already have the set of 72 pencils in my collection, so these are a nice addition. I feel like the new colors are more pastel-y, I don't know. I already swatched these ones, so these are the 72 previous colors until here, and then here you can see the swatches of the new colors. I can't wait to test them on a coloring page. And then another set of pencils that I received are the Derwent Lightfast. These are a pack of 12. I already swatched these as well. So we have a yellow one, a bright red, a salmon pink, then a violet color, mid ultramarine. Yeah, this turquoise green one I already bought open stock a while back to test the brand, so I would get a feel on how they color. And this vivid green one as well, so those two are not in the 12 pack. So it's only the mallard green that comes within the set. And then we have a brown ochre, a yellow ochre, sandstone, a lot of browns, a black, another brown, and a white one. These pencils are so expensive that I'm very happy that I got a small set for Christmas. Another nice present is this watercolor set from Finetech. It contains 6 pearlescent colors: copper, bronze, Olympic gold, Arabic gold, champagne silver, and silver. They look like this, and they are gorgeous on black paper. I haven't swatched these yet on white paper though, but look at them on this black paper. They have a gorgeous shiny effect. Next up is this giant watercolor palette from Van Gogh. Van Gogh was a Dutch painter in the late 1800s. I actually still need to swatch all these. The little cubes are still in their packaging. Let's open one together. I want a blue one. Oof, they're very tight in here. Ooh, nice. It's cerulean blue phthalo. So yeah, I still need to unbox them, but that's for another time. So yeah, I'm very curious to know what you all received for Christmas. Leave it in the comments down below, and I hope you had some wonderful holidays or end of year, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. See you in one of my next videos. Bye!